I'm David Regal, and Decision Point represents my work on what has to be one of the best effects in magic. Because I know you, Eric.
Wow!
No, you.
The lightning bolt.
I love that so much. Thank you.
A spectator can think of any one of 7 different symbols, and you know the symbol they're thinking of. The props scream elegance. This is a custom designed leather wallet, and everything you need to perform this effect is contained within it. Instead of 3 different colors being selected or things you might find around the house or in someone's pockets, I made Decision Point to use 7 symbol cards. Images that mean different things to different people. So when they make a selection, they're making it for a reason.
The house.
The little house, right here, on the lightning bolt.
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun.
That one. Stop.
Right here. And the props you get, they do not look like toys. These look like what they are. Classy, high-end, elegant items. This is now an effect you could do at a formal show or when you're meeting that prospective new client. It's something I always wanted to have, but as it turns out, I had to make it. Now you can do the effect the way I've always wanted to do it.